Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to view games that have been hidden on Steam. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam launcher on your device. And if you haven't already logged into your account, you may proceed forward with your email address and your password. After logging in, you will end up within the Steam store page. Now, there is an option available within Steam from which you can hide the games that are within your library. If you click on the library option at the top section, you will see all of the games that are installed within your system. If you wish to hide any game, just right click on this game and then hover over to manage, and you will now see the hide this game option. Go ahead and click on it, and this will now disappear from your games library. If you wish to view all of the games that you have hidden, just click on the view option at the top section and you will now see the hidden games option. Go ahead and click on this, and this will now show you all of the games that you have hidden within your Steam library. You can right click on this game and then hover over to manage and click on remove from hidden if you wish to unhide this game and revert it back into your library once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to view or find your hidden games on your Steam library. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.